and welcome to the 4th edition of International Automotive Summit 2022. This is Neha Basudkar Ghate, Assistant Editor at Efficient Manufacturing Magazine. We have here with us Ajey Pathak, who is the Head of Marketing and Business Development at Beckhoff Automation. So let's get the conversation started, sir. According to you, what are the key drivers when it comes to digitization automotive manufacturing?
See, digitization is more related with digitalization of the physical document, converting physical documentation to electronic formats. Now, this is a continuous process because documentation and data is generated during the manufacturing. And more or less, everyone has to implement it by involving all stakeholders within the chain, supply chain, manufacturing, designing, into a single platform. And here technology will play a very big role. Hardware technology, the software technology, as well as the interface technology.
And sir, what are your thoughts on, or what would you like to say about this summit, the 4th edition of International Automotive Manufacturing Summit?
This summit, I found it quite impressive because the kind of count and the people around, I was not expecting this.
And what about the technological speakers, the delegates, the leaders who have actually, taken the pain to actually come from?
I think you have invited the right guys.
So that was Mr. Ajey Pathak. We have got really valuable responses from him. Thank you, Mr. Ajey Pathak. Thank you.